Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this really beautiful full set right here. It came out so freaking beautiful. I am completely obsessed with it. This is actually one of my freestyles that I did. So yeah, I'm really excited about it. I really wanted to go with something really elegant and beautiful, but perfect for summer. So yeah, if you would like to see how I did it, then please keep watching. Okay, you guys, so we're gonna get right into it. I have this package from SAVILAND. It's really cute. I love the packaging. And this is actually a whole collection of painting gels. It comes with these little brushes, which are so freaking cute, and this is what I'm gonna be using for my design today. It also comes with a little package, or like a little, what is it called? It's like a little brochure showing you how you can use them. And these are the packaging on these. I thought the packaging was so freaking cute and unique. Like, I've never seen anything like this. And I am going in and swatching them. So that one was white, so I didn't want to open it. But then I'm going in with the colors and opening them and showing you guys how they look. I am going to be wiping off the excess just so that I don't waste any product. But this is the silver one. It's so freaking beautiful. I loved that color. This one was called Gray, and I opened this one. And what's kind of funny is this one looked more like a brown. So yeah, it looked more like a brown, and I'm not really sure why it said gray. And if you guys hear any meowing in the background, it's my new kitten, so don't mind that. But I loved this one. This was like a really pretty coral color. And then the next one is called Orange, I believe. So all in all, what I noticed about these colors is that they are so pigmented. Like, you guys, it's actually insane how pigmented they are. I was literally shocked when I saw how pigmented they were. And I was really obsessed with them. So this one's called Orange, and this is what it looks like. It's more like a really beautiful, almost like a pale orange, but it's so freaking cute for summer. I can't wait to use that one. I'm definitely going to be using that one in the set that I'm going to do. This one is the most stunning, true, like really bright cherry red that I've ever seen. It's so freaking beautiful. And I love this kit so much, you guys. Just doing this and like using this for any kind of like drawing or tutorials that you have will just be so amazing. That one was like the red one, but it had glitter in it. So it's called Walnut, which was kind of funny because I was like, walnut, that's like red. But anyways, next one I think is called Brown. And I think this was like a beautiful chocolate. Yeah, a beautiful chocolate brown. It literally looks like melted chocolate. Stunning brown. I can like see so many designs with those for fall. This one's called Wine Red, and this one is a true dark, really beautiful ruby, like almost dark red, I guess you could say. This one is called Light Red, and I think this one was like a peach almost. Yeah, oh, like a salmon, like a really bright salmon, I guess. So yeah, I really loved that one. And then this one is called Golden. You guys, I'm so sorry. My freaking cat is like screaming. Well, he's like crying. This golden one was one of my favorites. It was so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I was obsessed with that one. Black. I didn't want to open the black and white just because I feel like you guys already know what that looks like. This one's called Scallion, and this one is so beautiful. It's like a really beautiful teal, like a teal turquoise. I kind of want to do like a beachy themed set with that one. I feel like that'd be so beautiful. This one is so cute. I noticed that some of them had this little bit of marbling on it, and it's like a white marble kind of color. This one is yellow. This one's the one color that I actually ended up using in today's tutorial, and it's so cute. I absolutely loved it. This one is called, oh, this one's called Actual Yellow, and it's like this really beautiful, almost mustard color. I was so obsessed with that one. And then the next one is, I don't know, I couldn't see that. I'm so sorry. I don't know what that was called. But this color is really unique. I absolutely fell in love with it. This one's called Light Pink, and it's a neon beautiful pink, you guys. Oh my gosh, this is one of my faves. That's like my most favorite color. Oh my gosh, you guys, my cat's so annoying. I'm so sorry. This is a really nice dark teal, and I love it so much. This one's a blue, and the blue is stunning. Oh my gosh, just look at the pigment. It looks like so sleek and like satisfying, honestly. I'm obsessed with these. And the most amazing thing about this is that the whole entire collection comes with 36 colors, and it's only $39.99 for the whole set. So I'm like obsessed with it, and it comes with the brushes. I honestly think that's a really good price, to be honest with you. I don't think that's a bad price at all. So I absolutely love that about this, and you can get it on Amazon. I'll have the link down below. And yeah, I'm just finishing up the colors here, showing you guys. Oh my gosh, this one's so beautiful. This was like a glittery purple. And then the next one I think is also a glittery purple, but a dark, dark purple. So yeah, I really love the whole collection. I love how there's literally every color you can think of in this collection. Literally every color you'll need is basically in here when you want to paint something. So I loved that. You guys, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I hope my audio doesn't get messed up. My kitten is here. If you guys watched my last video, I just got a kitten, and he literally gets jealous if I talk to anyone. He thinks I'm his mother, and he wants to be with me all the freaking time. Oh my gosh, if you guys are cat parents, I don't even know. Like, I've never owned a cat, but he's so freaking cute, and I'm obsessed with him. And his name is Chai, like chai tea. So he's really cute. I absolutely love him. Anyways, you guys, so I'm getting ready to start on my design here. So this design that I'm gonna do was actually a freestyle for someone. They actually wanted me to just freestyle the set, and I know that she usually likes like lighter colors, but right here first, before anything, I wanted to show you guys what I did to this brush. So this is my favorite thing to do with brushes that are thick like this. You can keep it like this if you want to, but if you like getting super sleek straight lines, you can do this to your brush. So what I did was I pulled the bristles down, and I'm going to be cutting it down to my desired length, or my desired thickness. So the thickness that I wanted to do was super, oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so sorry. So the thickness I wanted to do was like super thin, so that I can get a really nice, thin, clean line. You know what I mean? Sometimes when you have the brush really thick like that, it honestly makes your lines too thick. So this is what I'm doing. I'm just showing you guys. Taking these little scissors. I got those little scissors from Dollar Tree actually. And you can see here where the bristles kind of separate and where you would want to cut it off. So I'm cutting it off, making sure that I get like the middle part. Any pieces that you see that are noticeably sticking out that aren't meant to be in the bunch, you can just go ahead and cut those off. And this is what it looks like after. It's so freaking beautiful. I absolutely love it. I love making my own brushes. You can customize all of your brushes. If you have an old brush sitting at home, customize it. Don't throw it away. And I did want to make it a little thinner, so I think I end up cutting a tiny bit more. So yeah, I'm going to cut that part off right there. And I'm so sorry about my ugly thumbs, you guys. I have really bad anxiety and I pick at them, which is so freaking horrible, I know. But that's what I do. So yeah, I'm cutting it off right there and making my bristles super nice and thin. And what I love about the collection is that it already comes with all these different brushes. So you really don't even need to buy any other brush. It comes with little mini detailer brushes. It comes with the dotting tool. Like literally every kind of brush that you'll need. It also comes with like a bunch of medium-sized brushes and also thicker brushes where you can do like flowers with. So I might end up doing like a little flower design later on as well for summer. And yeah, you guys, I think right here I was deciding what color I was going to use. I wasn't really sure yet. So I'm just going to skip it a little bit and then we're going to get into the tutorial. Okay, you guys, so we're going right in with the little abstract, I guess you can say French tip. I'm going in with this color from the kit. It's called Sunflower Yellow. And I'm also going in with the little brush that I customized. So I'm going to be doing the little lines on the side. I know I'm a little out of frame in a few parts of this video, but I am going to be fixing it. Sometimes I don't realize that I'm in a frame and I get really upset once I realize, because I'm like, oh my gosh, I want to try to get the best footage I can for you guys. So I am going in. The first thing that I really noticed was that these colors are so pigmented. Like this was really nice and thick to use. Honestly, it made it kind of hard to work with because my room was so cold. I had my air conditioner on, like set to I think like 65, and it made my room super cold. So the gel was really nice and thick. But as my room started getting warmer and I turned the air conditioner off, it was really helping the formula really settle down or like smooth out, and it was really easy to work with. So I really liked that about the formula. I really did end up loving these colors. They came out so freaking beautiful, and I do have a new better clip of me painting on the little French tips. Okay, you guys, so I did end up switching to a different brush to do the little lines, just because this brush was a little more dense and it was a little bit shorter. So it worked out a little bit better for the French tip part of the lines, because you can't really use a super long brush for that part, for like the little curve part. You can't really do a long brush with that. You could, but I don't know. Just for me, it wasn't really working when the formula was so thick, so I was just going in with the smaller one so I could be more precise. And as you could see, I was doing it really effortlessly. It was really helping me out. And there was a smaller brush in the kit as well. I should have used that one, but I didn't realize it until after. But yeah, I did get these brushes from AliExpress as well. But these brushes that came in the kit are so good. It literally comes with every type of brush that you need. It comes with like any like a long one. It comes with a super tiny like micro detailer. It comes with another one that you can also customize to make thinner that's a little bit shorter. And then it also comes with like some that you can even do flowers with. And these gel paints would be perfect for really beautiful pigmented art because they're so pigmented. Like, you guys, these are nothing like gel polishes. These are definitely painting gels. So I really love these. And yeah, I'm just going to let you guys finish watching this. And then I'm going to take out some rhinestones. Okay, you guys, so for this set, I did take out a whole bunch of different rhinestones. A lot of you guys always ask me where this little bling tray is from, and this is from 𝐿𝐼𝑁𝐾𝑆. But I am taking out a bunch of flame, some pear shape, some, I think marquise, and just a bunch of different types. And I am just going ahead and taking those. And then I'm going to be taking out some regular flatbacks. I'm going to be grabbing SS10, some SS8, and just a bunch of different shapes that I'll probably be needing. When I freestyle them, I kind of just take out gems that I like and then kind of freestyle based off of the gems that I take out, just so that it's a little bit easier and the selection isn't so much to choose from and I don't get overwhelmed, because there has been times where I stay up super late and I'm super overwhelmed and I don't know what design to do. So this really helps me by taking the gems out first. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going in with my rhinestone gel. This is one that you guys were really, a lot of you guys recommended this one. It's the MAKARTT Rhinestone gel, and I absolutely love it. In this video, I'm actually going to be showing you guys how to do a glue bath, or like, is it called a glue bath? I think so. So I'm going to be giving the rhinestones a glue bath to make sure that they last extra long, and this is something you guys can definitely do in all your sets to really help you guys out with your gems lasting forever. I'm going to start doing this on every set that I do because I just know it's going to be amazing. So I am just taking my gem gel, and then I'm going to be placing all the gems that I want. So I'm taking some pear, some SS8, and then I'm going to be taking some SS5 and placing them all around the corners and the sides. And I'm also going to be adding little details with gold beads as well. So I'm kind of just doing a little bit of everything, kind of just freestyling it. I wanted the middle finger to be super blinged out, and then the rest to be kind of like more minimal, but still really beautiful. So I don't know if I said this already, but this was a bling freestyle set. So specifically a bling freestyle, so she really likes rhinestones and stuff. So I knew she was going to love this set. Okay guys, so now I'm finishing up with the thumb and I'm just going ahead and adding more gold beads. I really love how the ones on the ring finger and pointer finger came out. They look so cute. So what I'm doing is I'm taking my KDS glue and I'm going to be giving them a glue bath. So you guys are going to see in a second here close up what I'm going to be doing. So after I already cured them in the lamp with the MAKARTT gel, I'm going to be going in all around the stones with this glue and I'm just going to be basically giving them a bath. That's just what I call it. But I'm not going to be going over the stones. You never want to put glue over your stones. You can put it over small ones and like gold beads and stuff because the shine won't alter that much, but you want to make sure that you don't get it on your big ones especially. So I am just showing you guys what it looks like. I just went all around the exterior of the gems and I'm just going to be doing that on every single nail. I think I already did it on these. I'm just showing you guys what it looked like. You can see where I put the glue. So I just went ahead and did that, and I'm going to be taking a lint-free wipe with some alcohol and I'm going to be cleaning them off. But I did forget to mention, before you even wipe them off, make sure that you spray your nails with Hurry Up Nail Glue Dryer and make sure that you have it sprayed at a distance. Don't spray it super up close because that'll mess up your gems and it can make them turn kind of white. So spray your nail glue dryer from a distance and then clean them off with some alcohol and that'll really help you out. And then you're going to go in with your top coat. So I am just wiping them off here and then double checking them, making sure everything's good. And then I'm going to be going in with my iGel Beauty No Cleanse top coat and I'm going to be top coating all around. I do make sure to really go on the exterior of the gems and top coat all around to make sure that you're kind of sealing them in, almost like a shrink wrap, you know, like kind of sealing them in place once and for all with the top coat, but we did already technically seal it in place with the glue bath. So this will make your gems last forever. Like I'm kind of thinking of titling this video like how to make your gems last, but I don't really know because that's not like the main purpose of the video. Anyways, I'm like rambling, but I really love that method and this is what they look like. So I did already take them out of the lamp. I'm just turning down the brightness so you guys can see what they look like. They're so freaking beautiful. And as always, I do always go in afterwards and I go over my dust collector. I use a MAKARTT dust collector. I have a discount code with them. It's Nailsslayedbyval in case you guys ever want to use it for anything that's on the MAKARTT website. And I'm going to show you guys me putting them in the little box and then the finished result. Okay, you guys, so I didn't realize I was out of frame when I was putting them in, but this is the final result. They came out stunning. You guys, ignore the set from the top, even though you're probably already looking at it because I just brought it up. But that set that was on top is actually part of my first series, so stay tuned for that. Or my first episode in my series is what I wanted to say. So this is what they look like. They're so beautiful. Always make sure to wipe off your gems with a plain paper towel, no alcohol, no nothing, to get rid of any fingerprints or streaks on your nails. And yeah, you guys, I absolutely love how they turned out. They're so stunning. I'm obsessed with them. I really hope you guys like this video. The link for the gel pot paint kit is going to be down below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I really appreciate you guys. Bye!